Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to easily apply magnetic eyelashes. And these ones in particular are from the drugstore, so they're super affordable compared to the ones that I've seen online that are like $60. My sister's the one that actually requested this video. Thank you for watching my videos, Verena. She was like, you have to do this video, but the ones that she wanted me to do the video on, I'm like, girl, I'm not spending $60. So as soon as I saw that Ardell had some for $14, I was like, I'm all about it. I'm gonna show you a try-on video and some tips and tricks on how to make them look super natural, and I'm actually wearing them right now. So already, you guys know it's gonna be good. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Join my family, and let's get started. There are a few things that you need to know before jumping into these magnetic eyelashes. I would definitely recommend these for straighter eyelashes, not necessarily longer eyelashes, just on the straighter side, because if your eyelashes are like severely curled in, you are going to have some trouble trying to sandwich your beautiful curly eyelashes. But if you have straight eyelashes like mine, it's going to be a piece of cake. I actually got this eye in one try and I was super impressed with it, so I cannot wait to show you guys how that works. I would definitely try this out on a day that you are home, maybe watching Netflix or something, where you've got the time to practice, you've got the patience, because if you're trying to try this for the first time before going out on a date or a special occasion, good luck, sister, because you're gonna get pissed off and your arms are going to hurt. Oh God! I love you enough to warn you, do not do that to yourself. Now these are pretty affordable. They are drugstore products. You can find them at Sally Beauty as well. And I would definitely recommend using eyeliner. It just helps to camouflage the band. So I'm going to give you a close-up look of the options that you have in this magnetic lashes collection. The first one is the double Demi Wispies. These are typically the eyelashes that I would gravitate toward just because they look kind of like on the glam side and not too natural. I've been to shoots before where their eyelashes were so thin, I'm like, what is this? Like, they're literally thinner than my own natural sad frog eyelashes. So they're like the perfect, like, natural everyday glam. I would say the double Wispies are in between the 110 and the double Demi Wispies, so just right in the sweet spot there. If you have smaller eyes like my mom has these cute little honey eyes, and I think that the accent ones, which are really light, but they're still kind of long, so they'll give you some length here in the corner. So all you do is just clip them here in the corner. I'll show you guys how to put them on in just a moment. And then they also have the accents too, which are a lot thicker and more dramatic. For me, they are half of the size of my eyes, so just giving you a little bit of a size spectrum. So the full lashes would take up my whole entire eye, which I have really large eyes and I typically don't have to cut down my eyelashes, but you might have to, so keep that in consideration when choosing the sizes. Now I would definitely get one of each just to play around with if you can afford them, because they are $14 a piece. So I'm going to go ahead and place the first one on top. So right on top of my eyelashes. Thank goodness my eyelashes are super straight, so this should not be a problem. And I have huge eyeballs too, so I wish I had someone with smaller eyes here so I can demonstrate how to cut them down. But so far, not too shabby. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and stick on the bottom lashes. Hold on. Hold up. Honestly, that was my first try, and they don't look too bad. They look really good. I thought I was gonna, hold on, let's put the other one on first. Okay, okay. All right, Ardell, I think we're onto something. If someone is standing this close to you, they need to back up, okay? But if they weren't, I feel like you couldn't even tell, and they look amazing. Lash number 2, hopefully they look really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on really quick. Okay, here we go. Okay, this one's a little bit crazy. I feel like I have to do this one over again. So you just peel it off, and when you want to separate them, you almost have to rub them to get them to get off their magnets, and then pull them apart. Now you can't be too rough because you'll jack them up. I'm gonna place it on top, as close to the lash line as you can possibly get it, because as soon as you pop the bottom magnets on, it's going to want to get stuck there. So you want to scoot them as close to the lash line as possible. I am so used to using eyelash adhesive that I want to put eyelash adhesive just so that it can stay in place, so when I stick the bottom lash, it doesn't make like no sense. So let's try to figure this out. Okay, this one keeps moving. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw on the bottom magnet. This one's not as cute as this one. This one came out so good. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna have to try that one again. I'm not a quitter. I'm a Mexican. Deep breath. You know, if you have anxiety, I don't think you should try this. Gotta keep your eye open like a killer. You know, like if you're trying to creep on your boyfriend from across the street and he doesn't know that you're there. Yeah, that. You gotta keep your eyes open. I really want these to work. It's this one. It's this one in the corner. Why aren't you working? This one is on there. Pretty tight. Pretty close. But this one is just like... Okay, so we're going to move on to the Accents 2. And we're going to try on one of these corners. And I believe this one goes on this eye. So, of course, I picked the thug eye that I want to practice on. So, the corners or the accents, you pretty much just put them here on the outsides and see what happens. I have actually never tried just the accents because my eyes are so big. I feel like accent eyelashes would look amazing on smaller eyeballs because, you know, you just have less space to work with. Like my mom's eyes would be perfect for these smaller ones. Come on. What in the heck is going on here? Oh God, is that too low? No, I don't want my eye to look droopy, so I'm gonna scoot them over just a bit. Okay, that doesn't look too bad on its own. Okay. I feel like the magnets. Ooh, okay. That looks pretty dang good. So if you have issues with your eyelash application, I would definitely recommend these Ardell lashes. Now I love the strip lashes, the ones you glue on period anyways, but look how great these lashes look. I'm seriously, I'm in shock because I really thought I wasn't gonna like them. I've actually seen quite a bit of reviews on magnetic lashes and they look like they sucked, but these are amazing. Keep your psycho stalker eye open. I'm going to go in for the attack underneath and drop them off. Okay. Oh, I felt it. You can feel them like clamp onto each other. You guys, these look really good. Again, these are the Accents 02 and I'm just putting them like starting at the middle of my eye and focusing on the outer ends of my eyes. And I really, honestly, honest to God, you guys, I feel like I'm still like in shock. I'm acting like Kylie just had her baby or something. Like I am shocked, okay? Like this is amazing, you guys. These look so damn good. I'm like just... So hopefully I kind of eased your nerves about trying them. I absolutely love them. I think that they're amazing and they're perfect for those of you who have trouble gluing on eyelashes or might have sensitivity to the eyelash adhesive. One of my resolutions for this year was definitely to do more giveaways, more common giveaways, more secret hidden DM giveaways, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all over my social platforms because I want to be engaged with you guys. A lot of times, certain platforms can be oversaturated and I don't get as much opportunity to respond to you guys like I really want to. So it's really important to take a moment to ask me any questions you guys want in the comments down below as far as your requests and your thoughts, opinions, good or bad, okay? And I'm just so grateful for your time spent here on my channel. So again, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!